Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by processing the cucumbers to capture fresh flavor and control texture. Combine 4 cups peeled, chopped cucumber with 1/2 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. The sugar balances bitterness while acid brightens. Once blended briefly, strain for a silky base, then chill the puree. This reduces ice crystals later. Make sure to reserve some cucumber pieces or 1 cup of the puree lightly frozen. That helps the churn stage lock in texture, so you get smooth sorbet fast. Next, you make a simple syrup to ensure even sweetness and scoopable texture. Heat 1/2 cup water with remaining 1/2 cup sugar until dissolved, then cool. This prevents melting when mixed. Once cooled, whisk the syrup into the chilled cucumber puree and taste. Add a pinch of salt to amplify flavor or 1 teaspoon chopped mint for herbaceous lift. Then, strain again if needed for silky smoothness. This step determines body, so adjust sweetness and acidity now before freezing. You finish by churning and then firming the sorbet. Pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve stage. This entrains air and controls crystal size. Once done, press plastic on the surface, seal in an airtight container, and freeze 2 to 4 hours to set. If it becomes icy later, reblend with 1 to 2 tablespoons of simple syrup or a little vodka. This lowers freezing point, restores scoopability, and keeps texture smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.